Does your iPhone keep showing a critical security update warning? Ignoring it now could cause bigger issues later. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this iPhone software security update problem properly. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Sometimes you will get a notification from Apple that looks something like this. So what happens often is that after a major software update from Apple, there will be iPhone models that have issues that are incompatible with the new software update, and Apple needs you to address them immediately to avoid any security breaches on your iPhone. I understand that it is usually not recommended to download any updates when it is being released, but for critical software security updates, it is highly recommended to address that issue as soon as possible. So what you have to do is to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update and your phone will check for updates. Make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone to be able to install the updates. As you can see, right now I have the latest iOS 26.5 update available, which will take up about 6.4 gigabytes. Tap on Update Now to update the latest software version. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and